And my dear students, welcome back to RB online class. In the last class, we have started a new chapter, that is decimal 8 chapter, decimals. In that, we have discussed some basic things related to that, some definitions related to this chapter. Decimal, we know that decimal is nothing but a point, and the comparison of decimals on the number line, and how to convert decimal to fraction and fraction to decimal. We have learned in the previous section. So in this section, we will start exercise 8.1. In this exercise 8.1, first one, students, write the following as number in the given table. So here, the table is given tens, ones, tens, hundreds. So in this, first, see page number 35, see the diagram and write values in this table. Tens means we know that 1 by 10. Ones, 1. Tens means 10. Hundreds means 100. This is the place value chart. So with the help of these figures, we have to substitute values in this table. See here A. In this, A and B is given. So A is, see here, in A, tens, TENTHS, tens is given. How much in this figure? How much tens? There are 2 tens. So we have to write 2 in tens box. Next, ones. How many ones are given in this figure? Page number 35. Ones is only 1. So write 1 here. And tens. How many tens are there? This, see here. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 tens. So write 3. And in this A, there is no 100 box. So we have to write 0 or we have to write dash in this hundreds box. Next, B, see B, hundreds, only 1. Full whole 100 is 1. Tens, only 1. And tens, there is no ones here, so we have to write 0. And 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 tens. So we have to count this figure, we have to count this, and we have to substitute in this table A, and this one is B. Okay, hope you understood this one. Next, coming to the second question. Write the following decimals in the place value table. Here also we have to write in place value table. So how we have to write place value table? We know that place value tables, tens, ones, tens, and hundreds. Up to is given. So only up to 100 we have to write. A, B, C, D. So this is the place value table. We have to write A, B, C, and D. See here, in this A 19.4. See here, A is 19.4. Yes, we know that before decimal, ones, tens, 100,000 it goes, and after decimal, hundreds, TH last, THS, we have to write. Means 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by, in decimal it comes. Okay, so before decimal, ones, tens, hundreds. So left side all ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000 like this. After decimal, tens 1 by 10, hundreds 1 by 100, thousand 1 by 1000 like this we have to write. Okay. So here write. This is 9 is ones, so we have to write it in ones. 1 is tens, so we have to write here. Here there is nothing in hundred, so 0. And this one is to the right side after the decimal tens. First one is tens here. Next, coming to the B part. Coming to the B part here, second one is 0.3. 0.3. This one is ones, 0 in ones, and after decimal, 3 is in tens. So here there is nothing, so we have to keep 0, 0. Understood? Next, third one, CD substitute. CD take homework, write it. Okay. Next, third one, third mean CD take homework. Write each of the following as a decimal. Write each of the following as decimal. See here in statement is given, we have to write in decimal. 7 tenths, B 2 tenths, 9 tenths, C 14.6, 14.6, D 100 and 2 ones, E 600.8, 600.8. So these are statements. So what we have to do? We have to write in the decimal point. For this, we have to write in the decimal point. So yes, 7 tenths means here 7 tenths means here 7 means 7. Tenths means 1 by 10. See here. Or write 7 tenths means 1 by 10. We know that tenths, THS here, last THS means tenths here. Tenths means we have to take 1 by 10. Here 7 ones are 7, 7 divided by denominator 10. So 7 by 10 is nothing but divide 7 with 10. So here 0.7. Take here 10 with 7. 7 is smaller than 10, so take decimal point 0. 10 sevens are 70. So you will get 0.7. 7 by 10 is nothing but 0.7. Okay, so next one is, what is the next one? Two tens. Two, see here, statements here. 2 tens means here tens 10. 2 into 10 and means we have to add here plus 9 tens. 9 into tens means 1 by 10. See, once again I will explain. 7 tens means, right, 7 into tens means 1 by 10. And here 2 tens, 2 into, because 2 tens multiplication. Here and means plus, 9 tens means 1 by 10. So See here, rearrange this one. Solve this. 20 plus 9 ones are divided by 10. So 20 keep as it is, plus 9 divided by 10 is 0.9. So 20, add 20 and 0.9 is 20.9 is the answer. See here once again I will explain. 2 tens and 9 tenths. So we have to solve this. 2 into 10 is 20 plus as it is 9 by 10. 9 by 10 is nothing but 0.9. So add this. See here. 20 point, there is nothing, so we have to take simply 0 and here 0.9 because decimal at the same place. 0 plus 9 is 9, 0 decimal 0 plus 0 0 20. So we get 20.9. So we have to add. Next here 14.6 we have to write directly because this statement is direct. 14.6. Here 100 and 2 ones. 100. I means plus. 2 ones means 2 into 1. So 100 plus 2 is 102. 102. But this is not in decimal. So what we have to do? We have to write 0.0. 0.0 is nothing but 102 only. So simply, why the question is write each of the following as a decimal. We are writing in decimal, but 102 is a whole number. So what we have to do? We want to write in decimal. So we have to take 0.0. 0.0 is nothing but 102 only. So next 600.8 as it is 600.8. It's easy. Okay. So the next fourth question is write each of the following as a decimal. So here, the state in third question, the statement is given. We have converted into a number and we have converted into decimal point. Here, the number is given. Only we have to convert into decimal. So take fourth one as a homework because it's easy. 5 by 10 is 0.5. 3 plus 7 by 10 is 3 plus 0.7 because 7 by 10 is nothing but 0.7. So take this all homework. Here is in mixed fraction, convert into improper. It will come in decimal. Okay. So fifth fraction, reduce fraction to lowest form. So fifth one. So here, fifth one, write the following decimal as fraction. As a fractions, reduce the fraction to lowest form. We have to convert this into first fraction and then it into lowest form. So the first one is 0.6. 0.6. 0. But we are removing this decimal. Here what is that? But 6 only. After one number there is a decimal point. So take 1 0 in the denominator. So this is, see here, for this we will convert fraction to decimal 0.6. So reverse, this is reverse. 0.6 is nothing but 6 by 10. So we are converting decimal to fraction. So 6 by 10 is nothing but 0.6 only. And this is not in simplest form. We have to convert this into simplest form. 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. Okay. So 3 by 5 is in simplest form. So we have converted into fraction, then it into lowest form. Understood? Next B, 2.5. 2.5 is nothing but 25 by 10. Why we are taking only 10? Here there is two numbers, but here after one number decimal point, so we have to take 25. You have to take in numerator and in denominator only 10. So here 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10. So 5 by 2 is the answer. Hope you understood this one. Take all homework because it's easy. If you will solve, you will take this all homework. C, D, E, F, I, G. Okay. So next one is 6. Express the following as centimeter using decimal. Decimals. See here. Sixth question. Express the following as centimeter using decimal. So the first one is 2 millimeter. So only I will explain only one. See here, what is that? This is a millimeter unit. 10 millimeter is equals to 1 centimeter. Here, 1 centimeter is equals to 10 millimeter. So we want here only 1 millimeter is equals to 1 by 10 centimeter. Okay, 1 millimeter is equals to 1 by 10 centimeter. So this is the unit we have to remember. Okay, 10 millimeter is nothing but 1 centimeter. 1 millimeter is nothing but 1 by 10 centimeter. So here we have no substitute in this because we want to convert this millimeter into express the following as centimeter. First we have to convert, then we have to write in decimal. So here that what we know that 1 millimeter is equals to 1 by 10 centimeter. So 2 millimeter is equals to 2 by 10 centimeter. 2 by 10 is nothing but 0.2 centimeter. This is your answer. See here, first we have to convert millimeter into centimeter. 1 millimeter is equals to 1 by 10 centimeter. 2 millimeter is equals to 2 by 10. So if there is 3 millimeter, 3 by 10. 30 millimeter, 30 by 10. 116 millimeter, 116 by 10. That only we have to divide with 10. Here some questions. 30 millimeter, we have to divide 30 by 10. 116 millimeter, 116 divided by 10. 4 centimeter, 2 millimeter. Centimeter you have to keep as it is. I will explain one. D I will explain. See here. 4 centimeter and 2 millimeter. Here we don't want to convert this because already this is in centimeter. So keep as it is 4 plus 2 millimeter is nothing but 2 by 10 because 1 millimeter is equals to 1 by 10 centimeter. 4 plus 2 by 10 is nothing but 0.2. 0 plus 4 is 4.2 as it is in centimeter. See, this is your answer. It's very easy. You have to write homework. Okay. Next, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 4. I will explain tomorrow. Okay. Hope you understood up to this. If you have any doubt, please contact me. Thank you.